Yo guys, Mal is here.
And we want to take you on a boat trip. You may have seen the old ship. Well, this is the new ship.
Who gives a damn? About to change the whole world with this mic in my hand. Yeah, mic in my hand.
On the 14th of May, it's time for the second edition of Shipwreck Sunday. We are now standing on the upper deck where there will be an outside stage with lots of upcoming talents that will keep you going. Do you want to see a tour? Okay, let's go down. And this is the first floor, where you can do whatever the fuck you like.
And now let's go to the playground.
Change the whole world with this mic in my
And this will be the playground area. Game and chill, you can relax, take your time and... What, man? What the fuck? Ruler here? What the fuck are you doing, man? Oh, man, do it. Do it for me, man. Come on, do it. Do it, man. Do it. Do it.
Basics.
So, who's the fucking best now? Who's the fucking winner, huh? Say it! Say my name! Oh no, you're fucking dead, huh? Say it again. Nay, you fucking don't, man! Let's go to the main deck, guys.
Okay, let's go.
Yup. So guys, as you can see, this is the main deck. Now it's under construction, but we will be sure to demolish all over again. Be sure the 14th of May to be there at Shipwreck Sunday. There will be artists like Malice, Ruler, Rebellion, Luminite and Crypta, all of our brothers in crime and many more. So be sure to be there, buy your tickets here and see you guys there.
Oh, sole mio, e porco Dio!